Hey guys, so would you like to learn how do I create this kind of template for Instagram stories? The exact template. How do I have this kind of video? How do I have this kind of red strip, white strip, black strip, all those things. The complete template.
Okay, so the first thing which we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the app called Over. Now you can use any of the app. Over is an iOS app, but if you are an Android user, you can just use any of the app. You can use apps like Fonto, you can use Canva, you can use any image editing tool. The process remains the same, only the features are different here and there. Alright, the buttons might be different. So I'm gonna use this Over, and I'm gonna tap on plus, and I'm gonna select the Instagram story size. So if you don't have this kind of template, you can just have that size as 1080 cross 1920. Then I'm gonna click on shape and choose any of the shape. I'm gonna just make it large, and I am going to change the color from this to, let's say, this kind of red. Alright, now what I'll do is I'll just pinch zoom here and there, and I'll make it a little bit like this. So I'll just try to arrange it from diagonal to diagonal or something like this. Alright, so I'll just arrange it like this. Now I'm gonna click on shape again and just select another shape, enlarge it, and move that layer a bit down so that there is a white color now. Now once again I'm gonna click on shape, and I'm gonna choose this rectangle, and let's make it a little bit smaller like this one, and let's move it over here. Now to make it visible, let's change the color of that to black, and let's arrange it like this. And what we can do is let me just try to make it a little bit larger till this point, and let's tap on the red one to arrange it a little bit over here. Yep. Now tap on the black one, click on duplicate, make it a little bit over here, tap on that again, duplicate, arrange it over here, tap on that, duplicate, arrange it over here, tap on that, duplicate, arrange it over here. Now you can just make it as much as you want, and I'm not gonna make it exactly like the one which you saw. I'm just giving you an idea over here. So let's say if I change the color for this one to be red, which is this red, then the fourth strip to be having the same color, which is this red, and that's it. Alright, so I have arranged that strip over here. Next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just save this, so I have this template. Next thing which I'm gonna do is the second application, which is InShot, which is available for both Android and iOS. So you can just click on video, click on new, and I would click and upload the one which I have recorded. So just upload the video which you have recorded, and then click on canvas 9:16, click on canvas again and make it a little bit smaller right over there. Alright, now click on background and click on image and upload the template which you have. Click on a little bit visible part, and there you go. Now you have this video planted across this. So you have this video playing and you have that background in the template. So next thing which you wish to have would be the text in the red part, which says want to create something like Instagram story or things like that, and you want arrows as well. So for that I'm not satisfied with the font collection over here in InShot. So it has limited text, and obviously I'm using pro version, but still I am not liking the text fonts over here. So what I do is I normally go in the third app. So I'll just first save this video, and then I'm gonna open up the third app for this video, which is Want. click on load new video and upload that video which you just created in InShot. Use original video. And as you can see, I am able to see advertisements on the top. So this is something like free version which I am using. And tap anywhere and click on add text. Would you like to learn how to create this? So would you like to learn how to? So how to is on the upper hand. Create this, how to create this Instagram story, question mark, and I'll just click on alignment and make it right. Click on size, enlarge it a little bit, fix it somewhere over here, and that's it. Next I'm going to click on style and click on stroke, click on white color so it adds up the depth. Click on style on the top and click on spacing, and for the letter spacing click on plus sign so that it increases the space. Click on shadow over here and click on the last option wherein it says AA. Right at the bottom you see 6 different templates of AA, so click on the last one and it will add shadow. So just drag this alpha level, reduce it so that you don't have much of the shadow, and then it is visible as well. Now you can click on move and move here and there, and I am satisfied with this template now. Next thing which I want is the arrows. Click on add text, click on symbol and click on this arrow, click on close, done, and now I have this white text. Click on size, increase the size a little bit, put it over here. Once again click on style, stroke, this one, and once again click on style and add shadow and decrease the alpha level to somewhere over here like 0.27 or something. Next once again click on text and add the symbol which is arrow again. Now the important thing, the major drawback over here which I feel is we cannot duplicate anything. So that is something which we can do in InShot. So next just click on style, stroke, white color, style, shadow, and decrease the alpha level to somewhere around 0.26. Finally we want some animation for the arrow because it comes slowly in the initial 2 seconds. So click on individual arrows, click on that none option which is right at the bottom, which is for animation, the bottom left corner. So click on none and it will have the animation which is transition style.
Hey guys, so would you like to learn
this as zoom in? Click on done, and same for the bottom arrow, zoom in, done. And now if I try to play this, that actually had that arrow symbol. All right, so once you save this, what you can do is you can just upload this to Instagram story right over here. So let me just show that to you on my Instagram stories right now, as I'm running out of my battery right now. So I'm gonna just tap on this. Oops, that was just so I'm gonna just upload, and so I've actually got 50 yes as of now I'm recording. So this is like hardly been 12 hours. I've got 50 votes, which is positive. So definitely while you are watching this, you might be one of those 50 votes. And if you were, then I'm glad. So right over here I have this Instagram stories and 3 heart symbol and hashtag. So that is basically when I uploaded it on Instagram, I just used the functionality of hashtags.
If you have missed out on the previous one, do check out this video, latest video from DigiPerform's YouTube channel. Do check out over there. And if you haven't subscribed to these channels, tap on the individual logos, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and I look forward to see you in the next ones. And yes, this is how I record. It's all natural.